Beautiful family members, in this video I'll be sharing with you a perfect fondant recipe that is suitable for all season and you can use to decorate your cake. If you are new to my YouTube channel, a warm welcome to you, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys. Here are the list of all ingredients that I'll be using. I have my icing sugar, I have my gelatin, I have glucose, I also have CMC. So the first thing first to do is to sieve your icing sugar. I've sieved my icing sugar already. Then the next thing I'll be adding to my icing sugar is my CMC powder. Then I'll sieve that in. Please note that the measurements of this fondant recipe will be in the description box below. Please check. After sieving my CMC into my icing sugar, then I'm going to mix that together and set that aside. The next thing, I'm going to measure my water inside my cup. Then after adding my water, I'm going to be adding my gelatin inside the water. So while adding your gelatin inside your water, you can see the way I sprinkle the gelatin over the water. So that is the way you should just sprinkle it over the water. After adding your gelatin, then the next thing you'll be adding is your glucose. So you are going to be adding your glucose into your gelatin and water mixture. After adding your glucose, I'm going to stir it together. Over here I have my boiling water. Then I'm going to turn off the heat, then place the cup inside the water to allow my glucose and gelatin and everything to dissolve completely. You just keep stirring it until everything is completely dissolved. Right now it has completely dissolved and I'm going to take it out from the heat. The next thing is to add your gelatin and glucose mixture into your icing sugar. So before you add the mixture into your icing sugar, it's always advisable to reduce some of the icing sugar that you will later use to knead everything together. That is what I did before adding the mixture into it. So once I add the mixture into it, I start to mix everything together. Then this process, you can transfer it to your work surface and begin to knead it. So while kneading it, I'll be using the icing sugar that I set aside to knead everything together. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be part of the family. I share amazing recipe on my YouTube channel. And once you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up and don't forget to share. So I'm just going to continue kneading everything together until everything is well and properly knit together. And this is what I have. My fondant is ready, and this is my fondant. So before you use your fondant, you allow your fondant to rest for about 8 hours before using it. So it's always advisable to prepare your fondant ahead of time. So you just wrap it with your cling film and set this aside for at least 8 hours before usage. Guys, that's how to make fondant recipe. Hope you'll be trying this recipe. Till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.